yet again. Not to say I want you out. I look at you and see everything, with the exception of doubt. 'Cause I am so sure of the fact that I'm your perfect match, and it hurts when you go. Toss and turn in my mattress, I yearn for you back, and I have to be certain you know I'm so bad for you, babe. I am so down for you. I'm so bad for you, babe. I am so down for you.
Right. It only takes a second to preface the fact you precious. I'm practicing in the mirror, remembering all the lessons I learned as an adolescence. How to treat a woman, that's woman with a Y, right? Know you on my mind, right? Now I got your attention, we letting loose confessions. You fell in love as a freshman and I was just a sophomore. Getting hella desperate, I was looking for some breasts I could hit up on a need-to-know basis. Restless, little did I know your love was about to be contagious. I done seen some pretty faces, but yours is like a raisin in the sun. So beautiful, but been through war. My funeral will be with yours. You could bury me in linen, you could bury me in gold. You could bury me a liar as long as I'm by your soul. I just wanna see your soul. I just need to know that you're still mine after all this time. You're so
talk to me, sunshine. Tell me what you're all about. We may stumble on rainy days sometimes, but I can't let there be a doubt.
I ain't done. Remember when I met you, you was going through depression. You had scars on your arms, so I touched them and I kissed them. I'm officially the realest nigga that you ever been with. I might just be the only real nigga that you been with. And now we talking marriage, couple babies in the carriage. I could fantasize about it all day, I ain't embarrassed. And we promise not to be each other's parents. Let's see how that goes.
I'm so bad, baby.
Let's see how that goes.
I am so down for you. I'm so very